Good day to all employers. My name is Sherry Lacino, 30 years old, married. I was born October 14, 1981 from Talugtog, Nueva Ecija, Philippines. I studied at Eulogio Amang Rodriguez Institute of Science and Technology, Manila. Completed the degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Management. I've been working here in Hong Kong for almost 7 years as a domestic helper. I do the household chores, cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing, and taking care of children. I'm hardworking, honest, patient, and reliable. If I've given a chance to work in Spain, I promise to do my job well and perform my duty without any mandate. I would like to work in Spain because I want to give the best life for my family, especially to build a better future to my children. I believe that work in Spain could bring the big change into my life. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.